Number, what do them? If you watch the social media, and the artists and the big Queenie man and Queenie and some of the blood clot. One is the wine and the big song and Queenie man over. Sexy
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lion. I speak up on myself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. We say give thanks to life, give thanks to health and strength, give thanks for another day, give thanks for your continuous support. Yes, man, if you're new to the platform, make yourself at home. Welcome to the family. Please consider to like, share the content, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss a content when we drop one. Yeah, Tan. Yes, man, big up all of my fans on the platform. Active and inactive ones. See? Yes, man. In this vlog, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to give some commendation, appraisal, you know what I mean, in support of Sexy D&NG. You know, Sexy D&NG there on the island of Jamaica do her work, but she aspire, her dream job is to be performing and touring the world. Yes, man, so she did a great performance, outfit, appearance, everything up. So you don't know. So we share the bad, we have to share the good. You see me? Big up Substance, because I know I'm the man of peace. So me I say, and a peace we deal it straight with and love and respect. But I don't know, Substance a shoot off for Sexy D&NG and thing lyrically. So we have to highlight the good when Sexy D&NG out there do her work. Even though we still with a love for say she answer sex. Substance still I make UK dancer nice. Because two bad artists. You see me? I'm respect the two of them. Yeah, man. So Sexy D&NG out there do her performance. I'm going to show you what I go on. I have to blur it out because you know Sexy D&NG outfit is very X-rated. You see what I say? And you know Sexy D&NG dress already. She show up her body. You see it? So, and YouTube policy. So you have to blur it out. But if you want to see the full thing on our outfit and shape and everything, just go over our page. The video them over there. You see me? Yes, man. Alright.
I marry attention. Any man when I give the girl and the money this Christmas, them ever get the whole factory up bun.
Before we make on see Sexy D&NG, I have a picture, I want you to tell me what you think about it in the comment section, because I see it in one group and you know people ask questions. I'm go over, Mavado post it, so it's not a Photoshop picture. Mavado say him and him brethren, them talk about some business ideas, tours. You see it, and it was posted on Mavado page. So when you can leave, let me know what you think in the comment section, what you think of the picture, what you think of it, you know what I mean? But as I say, over Mavado page, we'll go over there and see the picture for real, because the picture was in a group. I'm gonna go over the page and I'm say mixed comments over there. Some people are say the picture then some of my fans are telling me to take it down, some people are say shaky, some people are say a friend thing, you see me? So when I like to let me know what you think in the comment section. You see it? Yes, man. Alright. You see it, pray? Now try style the J. Big up Gully God. And do remember this vlog is sponsored by World Star Sound, One British. You go for them bus ride the 15th of December. Zane, World Star Sound, big up yourself. Alright, yeah, man.
Man, I don't know One British. I represent for World Star from the Christmas bus party the 15th of December. People, get on the ticket, first come, first serve. Music by World Star Sound alongside Players Choice Sound. Yeah, man, big up Orthodox, you know. Big up the World Star family, them. I don't know, the 15th of December, World Star Family Christmas bus party. People, get on the ticket. You know?
Alright, so first, this picture was posted on Mavado page, and you know, as I can see, he captioned, "Me and my G, we talking business, we putting this tour together. Hashtag Kalash972. So basically, Mavado say man in Belgium a reason, you know. It can be a normal reason, maybe them then one club or you know what I mean, nice and make. And sometimes me and my Belgian them reason, you know, man, I mean, and we are reason. Not enough funny ways, you know. You see it? No funny ways, you see me? But you don't know a certain go. So we don't know. People are saying in fans them are saying if you take it down, you know, look good. You can see man in Belgium like forehead to forehead, you know. So a fan of Mavado is saying, delete Vado, please. Them don't like that, you see it. And the next fan of the Gully God say, so no one can whisper to them friend again. Question sign. S your mother, read all negative comments. Hashtag one gully. So as I say, there's a whole heap of mixed comments over there, good and bad. They're not supportive, unsupportive, but when you can go where they go check. But if Mavado himself did feel away, he wouldn't post a picture. As I see him caption him and him a reason about putting this story together. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what only thing about the picture. You know, people think smutty, people think negative and positive. Let me know what only thing. See it, as me say, and I'm styling thing to the J. We just see the picture in the group and we just feel like we put it out there for make you ask an opinion. Is it? Alright, moving on. Yes, man, Sexy D&NG is currently in Jamaica one part. And I mean, I do a show, she got booked for an event, so she went and to perform and you know what I mean? Yes, a good look, something that I like to see. You know, we all aspire the dreams of being on some big platform, big stage show, we got deliver for our fans them. Is it? So if you see Sexy D&NG doing out there doing it, it's a good look from me and for she and our fans them. So anyway, watch where I go on.
Are you giving the best part? Your man ever tell us you want type one? What are you hard working girl ever about them money? What the girl ever knows them a fuck? What the man tell them then? Alright, so we go attack them with a tech line, left them for the white line, kill them lyrically, physically, this a war. You know your face, we go be this on a ball time. Only look the star line, pull them up a carbon. We respond to all time, kill them in a short time. Then you bad, that's the body not for them time. Tell them to the next time. And then Sexy D&NG, you're from the UK, but them a ball like them cool and we come from England. What the girl and the who know for bubble pan body? They know for bubble pan cocky and white pan cocky and you have to white cocky and the hand gun. Stick pan body and stick pan body. Pan body and I am so white. You are body criminal, you pray for that body, and you never know your biblical. And a pump and body that's too typical. Walking like your own new feet. Alright, that's too body that you can do. Come back to the puppy.
Hold on, secret, number, what doing it? If you watch the social media, and the artists said they beat Queenie Man and Queenie and some of the blood clot. All the song, why you the big song like Queenie Man over? Sexy D&NG.
What was it, Queen? Hey!
Move on my way. I'm a somebody. I'm a German. Hey!
They got the real bad project. Like you.
When you get up and down, when I'm doing next Sunday, when you get up and down, man,
Yes, man, that's Sexy D&NG. Big up yourself, Sexy D&NG. Love the performance. I love the entrance. So she walk up on the stage, two men, you know, on both sides holding her hand. As I say, and her outfit, as I say, is very X-rated and explicit. You know what I mean? And the D&NG like to really shut up. And Sexy D&NG do her thing from all along, and now, you know what I mean, she'll take time and go through the door. You know what I mean? It's a good look. To show us the time and process and patience, God and time. It might be long but not forever. Just stay focused, don't bow out, don't sell out, don't ground out, don't sabotage nobody, don't work no sacrifice, I don't rob up on nobody if you get to the top because it's not gonna be nice. Clean money we want, clean success. We don't want no success where we so we guilty conscience. You know what I mean? Yes, man. So Sexy Danger out there do the right thing. The UK fans them love to see that. You know what I mean? Me love to see that. As I say, so big up yourself, Sexy Danger, big up all of the fans of Sexy Danger, and the team them around Sexy Danger. You know what I mean? Yes, man, that's how it go, man. I hope Father got to guide and protect her, bring her back to the UK safe and sound. Oh, my sound! Yes, I say, big up yourself, Substance also, you know, Substance, a shoot up a Sexy Danger, lyrically. So I love to see that clash there, two bad female artists in the UK. Because some talented artists in the UK, you know, male and female, them just need that opportunity, need that chance. You know what I mean? Yes, so all of the DJs are really presenter in the UK, and we support the UK acts them, man. As I say, and the UK acts them, and we support the promoter them to give them a one dub and one jingle, and you know what I mean? Yeah. I don't want to have peace, and I feel like I chat too much now. But let me know anything in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. I am foot, my gun, my out. Big up on yourself. Blessed love.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot at close.